Namaste. We all know that yoga is very beneficial for our health. It gives us both external and internal benefits. The word yoga was derived from the Vedas, the Upanishads, and many such holy books. It is also believed that yoga is done to merge with the Supreme Soul. Patanjali has introduced us to something called Ashtanga Yoga. That includes Yama, that is social ethics, Niyama, that is personal ethics, Asana, that is posture, Pranayama, which is the breathing exercises, Pratyahara is concentration, Dharana, which is focusing on one point, Dhyana, which is meditation, and Samadhi is the reaching to God. Today, we will be practicing yoga. We should start with warm-ups, then Surya Namaskara, and we should practice 2 basic asanas. We should also end it with some breathing exercises and then rest. So let us start with the warm-ups. Starting with, we should start with neck rotation. Do it as slowly as possible so that you can stretch every single muscle in your neck. Reverse. Now we will be doing shoulder rotation. Reverse. Now we will be doing arm rotation. Reverse. Now we will be doing some twists. Twist can also be done with the help of wall support that can help you twist better. Now we will be doing some forward bend and backward bends. Now we will do some bicep stretches. Hip rotation. Reverse. Forearm and wrist stretches. Now we should be doing some forward bends. Sit down. Spread your legs a bit. Stretch, then bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to the ground. Remember to keep a knee straight. Now we should practice Surya Namaskara. Come to the edge of the mat. Join the legs. Namaskara Sthiti. Start with Surya Namaskara mantra. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya pihitam mukham tattvam bhushannapavrano satyadharmaya drushtaye. Om Mitraya Namaha. 1. Raise your hands up. Touch your bicep to your ears and slowly bend backwards. 2. Keep your hands beside your feet and bend forward. If you're not able to do this, you're going to keep your hands behind your ankle. Keep a knee split. 3. Bring your right leg back. 4. Bring both your legs back and keep your body straight. 5. Touch your knees, chest and chin. 6. Come forward and bend backwards with your arms straight. 7. Lift your hip, touch your heels down and come to the mountain posture. 8. Bring your right leg forward, look up. 9. Bring your other leg forward, keep your knees straight and put your head inside. 10. Hands up and bend back. Namaskar. Second round. Om Ravaye Namaha. 1. Inhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Bring your left leg back this time. 4. Exhale. 5. Hold your breath. 6. Inhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Inhale. Bring your left leg forward. 9. Exhale. 10. Inhale. Namaskar. Third round. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1. 2. 3. Right leg back. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Right leg forward. 9. 10. Namaskar. Adityasya namaskara ye kurvantu dine dine ayurpragnyam valam viryam tejastesham cha jayate. Om Bhagavan Suryaya Namaha. Now we are ready to do 2 asanas, starting with Parvatasana Prakar 1. This asana symbolizes the mountain. So we should sit down. Come to Dandasana position. Back straight. Now we should start the asana Parvatasana Prakar 1. Start. 1. Bring your left leg on your right thigh. 2. Do the same thing to your right leg. Make sure you're touching your knees on the ground. 3. Bring your hands shoulder level parallel to the ground, sideways. 4. Stretch and raise your hands up. Let your bicep touch your ears. Stay there for some time. Relax. 5. Bring your hands shoulder level parallel to the ground. 6. Bring your hands down. Relax your upper body. 7. Release one leg. 8. Release the other leg. This asana is a simple asana and it provides you mind concentration. Now the second asana, Vrikshasana. It is a leg balancing asana, so we stand up. 1. Lift your right leg straight. Get your balance on your left leg. 2. Bring this leg on your thigh. Make sure that there is no gap, and the right leg should be facing sideways. 3. Raise your hands up, shoulder level. 4. Hands up. Stay there for some time. 5. Bring your hands sideways. 6. Bring your hands down. 7. Make your leg straight. 8. Samastiti. Now we'll do it with the other leg. 1. Lift your left leg up, leg straight. Get the balance on the right leg. 2. Lift this leg up, making sure that there is no gap in between and your leg facing properly towards the left. 3. Raise your hands shoulder level, parallel to the ground. 4. Raise your hands up, stretch, and touch your bicep to your ears. Stay there for some time. Relax. 5. Bring your hands to shoulder level. 6. Bring your hands down. 7. Make your leg straight. 8. Bring your leg down. This asana helps to reduce the wavering of the mind. It also develops the nervous system and makes it stable. It also strengthens your leg. Now, we should sit down and do some meditation. Sit in Padmasana. Back straight. Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Concentrate on your breathing. Observe the changes that happened in your body. Relax. Now we shall practice a pranayama called Surya Anuloma Viloma Pranayama and Chandra Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. We shall start with Surya Anuloma Viloma. Surya Anuloma Viloma Pranayama is the inhalation and exhalation only with your right nostril. That means the left nostril is covered. So, adopt Jana Mudra in your left hand, Nasika Mudra in your right hand. Close your left nostril, close your eyes. Inhale and exhale with your right nostril. After complete exhalation, bring your hands down, Chin Mudra. This pranayama helps you in keeping your body warm. It also helps you to lose weight. Now we shall practice Chandra Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. In this pranayama, we breathe only in our left nostril. Same thing, adopt Chin Mudra in your left hand, Nasika Mudra in your right hand. Close your right nostril, close your eyes. Inhale and exhale with the left nostril. After complete exhalation, bring your hands down. Relax. This pranayama helps you to keep your body cool. It also helps you to gain more weight. Now we shall chant Omkara 3 times. Back straight, close your eyes, take a deep inhalation. Inhale. Inhale. Relax. Observe the vibrations. Observe the changes. Bring your hands back. Inhale. Exhale and bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to the ground. Inhale, calm. Rub your palms. Place them on your eyes. Relax. Slowly open your eyes. Doing yoga every day is very beneficial. So do yoga every day and stay healthy. Dhanyavad. Before I forget, before starting Surya Namaskara, on the first day, just start doing 6 Surya Namaskaras. And then you can slowly start increasing the number day by day. Dhanyavad.